In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up abandoned cart emails in Mailchimp. This is an essential tool for any e-commerce business, as it helps you reconnect with customers who leave items in their carts without completing their purchase. By setting up an automated email, you can gently remind them to return and complete their checkout. It's a fantastic way to recover lost sales, and the process is simpler than you might think. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Mailchimp.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Mailchimp dashboard. From here, look at the left-hand sidebar and find the section labeled Integrations. Go ahead and click on that. Now, this next step is critical. You'll need to connect your e-commerce platform to Mailchimp. Doing this allows you to synchronize your product catalog, customer information, and order data. Mailchimp supports many popular e-commerce platforms, so just follow the prompts specific to your platform, and you'll be all set. Once the connection is established, your store data will be ready to use for your abandoned cart emails. After you've completed the integration, it's time to move over to the Automations tab. This is where the magic happens. Once you're there, select the option labeled All Journeys. This section contains a variety of automation templates designed to make your life easier. For this tutorial, we're focusing on abandoned cart emails, so you'll want to filter the templates by e-commerce. When you do that, you should see an option for abandoned cart email. Select that template to begin building your campaign. Now that you've chosen the template, it's time to configure the automation. The first thing you'll need to do is set the abandoned cart as the trigger for this automation. This ensures that the email will go out whenever a customer leaves items in their cart without completing the purchase. Next, you'll want to adjust the waiting period before the email is sent. This is the amount of time Mailchimp will wait after a cart is abandoned before sending the reminder email. You can set this to whatever works best for your strategy. Common options are 1 hour, 4 hours, or even 24 hours. Think about your audience and what timing might feel most natural to them. Once the waiting period is set, click on the email step within the automation workflow. You'll see a button labeled Design Email. Click on that to begin customizing the content of your abandoned cart email. The first thing you'll be asked for is a campaign name. This is just for your internal organization, so choose something recognizable like Abandoned Cart Campaign to make it easy to find later. After that, you'll need to write an engaging subject line for the email. This is what your customers will see in their inbox. So keep it short, clear, and enticing. Something like your items are waiting for you, or don't miss out, complete your order today. Once you've written your subject line, it's time to select a template for the email itself. Mailchimp offers professional-looking templates specifically designed for abandoned cart emails. Choose one that matches your brand style and feel. Now that your email design is coming together, take a moment to review all the settings and steps in your automation. Double-check that the trigger is correct, the waiting period is appropriate, and the email content is exactly how you want it. It's always a good idea to send yourself a test email to ensure everything looks perfect. Once you're confident everything is set up correctly, it's time to activate your campaign. Look for the Start Journey or Turn On button and click it. Congratulations, your abandoned cart email campaign is now live and ready to help you recover sales, and that's it. You've successfully set up abandoned cart emails in Mailchimp. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.